I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start right away. Make sure your Reno 10 has battery and recent color OS updates. This avoids sudden setting locks. Open Settings, go to Display and Brightness, and find Edge Lighting or Ambient Lighting. That's the control panel. Tap it to reveal presets and the Create or Edit button. You're now in editing mode. This first action lets you pick a base style so you can control color, animation, and when lighting appears, notifications, calls, or both. Once you've opened the editor, choose a preset or create a new effect so you can change color, pattern, speed, and edge width. This controls how bold the lighting looks. Next, set triggers. Choose all notifications, selected apps, incoming calls, or exceptions during Do Not Disturb so lighting only appears when useful. Preview the effect in real time, then tweak brightness and duration until the motion feels smooth and unobtrusive. This balance prevents battery drain while keeping alerts visible. Save your lighting profile and ensure edge lighting is allowed on the lock screen and has notification permissions. Otherwise, the effect won't trigger. Test with a message or call to confirm timing and visibility, and then refine duration or app-specific permissions if the effect is too frequent or subtle. If nothing happens, make sure Battery Saver isn't restricting background visuals, confirm notification access for chosen apps, and restart the phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.